Hi guys, nandito tayo sa Hong Kong Star Ferry. Oh no, yes, Star Ferry na banda dito sa Central Hong Kong. Nandito yung pinaka ng mga tourists. If you want to take the ride ferry here, just 45 minutes around. Take the boat. Free drinks and beer. Yun lang ang ating nakikita. So nice. You wanna see? So you can see all over and it's very nice. This in here you can see around. And all flag o mga kasi ano lang sila eh. July 1 is 20th anniversary. Return under British colony 1987. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Dito lang yan sa ating